Hold these points for a minute, and what happens next will leave you shocked. In this video, I'm going to show you some secret points on your body that can significantly reduce pain and improve overall well-being. The last one will surprise you because it's hidden on your body and you didn't know about it. Number 1. 3 Mile Point. This point is located 4 centimeters below the knee. It helps improve the digestive system's function and treats issues like stomach pain, vomiting, and nausea. If you suffer from any of these problems, just bend your knee and press this point firmly for 1 minute. You'll feel much better afterward. Number 2. Third Eye Point. This is located between your eyebrows. It's an irreplaceable helper in treating headaches, depression, chronic fatigue, and stress. This spot is considered the center of the mind. So, when you feel unwell, simply apply gentle pressure to this point for 1 minute, and it will certainly help relieve you. Number 3. Pericardium Point. This point is located on the inner forearm, about 3 fingers away from the wrist, between 2 tendons. It's typically used to relieve nausea, vomiting, and dizziness. To feel the effect, apply firm pressure to the point and massage it for 5 seconds. Studies show that pressing the pericardium point helps relieve persistent hiccup,